I think I understand the gravity of our situation. By the way, what is this?
My specialty. Little demon flavored oatmeal. Please, help yourself. Go on, don't be shy.
Here goes! Huh? Rin, no! Are you alright?
I hear Grandma calling.
Grandma! We never met her, Grandma! Whoever she is, don't listen to her, Rin!
A familiar's misconduct is the responsibility of its master. Till Lukabok's mood improves, I will personally take charge of the kitchen and prepare meals for you two boys.
And if it doesn't improve?
Then I'll be your personal cook for the duration of your stay here.
Rin!
Let's go find Lukabok and kick his ass.
Rin, you better not do that.
A familiar's misconduct is the responsibility of its master. Until it's A familiar's misconduct is the responsibility. Here goes. Ooh, good.